Hello, friends. Hey, it's Kathy. I am here to just quickly tell you about foundational wellness with our doTERRA products. Now, foundational wellness, of course, is the basis, the foundation upon which we build our nutrition and to give our body the best way to be able to fight whatever we need to fight and to give us the energy that we need and really to give our body the nutrients that we need to be able to do what our body's supposed to do naturally. So the first product that I'm going to tell you about is VMG. And this is an amazing new drinkable vitamins, minerals, and greens. That's what VMG stands for. And the plus stands for all of the other stuff that's in there. There's over 330 phytochemicals in here. This is made with 90 different ingredients. And it is vitamins and minerals that are with a liposomal technology. So what that means is that our amazing essential oils surround these vitamins and these minerals so that when you drink this really refreshing, yummy drink instead of taking pills for your vitamins, these vitamins and minerals are actually staying in your system longer. They bypass the digestive system a bit so that it goes into your circulatory system and gets to the cellular level and actually stays in the blood system a lot longer so that you can use the vitamins and minerals that you're taking instead of just having them flushed out by the digestive system. So usually with the pill form of vitamins and minerals, especially if they're not high quality vitamins and minerals, you are going to release those from the body either through the urinary system, the digestive system, within about 2 hours of taking them. With preliminary studies with VMG, your vitamins and your minerals stay in the body for up to 8 hours, which is like 90% of the vitamins and the minerals are still in the blood system after 8 hours, which means that your body has a lot more time to be able to use these. It's more of a time release for your body to be able to use it, which means you're not flushing your money down the toilet. I want to tell you how easy it is to use this. Okay, I have my doTERRA shaker bottle here, and you can use, one of those little coffee frothers or whatever you want to do to mix this up. But it's super easy in this little sachet, easy to open. And you just put it in there, and it's this green stuff that you think is going to taste like dried broccoli, and it's going to be really, really yucky. But what doTERRA has done with these 330 different phytochemicals and 90 different ingredients that are in here is they also have it in a wonderful pineapple mango flavor. So you see that? All I'm going to do, I like mine really cold, so I put a couple of pieces of ice in there. I have my shaker in there. That's all. It is not chalky. It's not gritty. It tastes fantastic. And, you think of a green drink like this and you go, oh, yeah, Kat, that's going to be yummy. But it really is. I have yet to have anybody taste this who hasn't been pleasantly surprised by the taste. It's so easy. It's so easy. So instead of coffee in the morning, instead of maybe a sugary drink in the afternoon, you can take this any time of the day. You can even take it at night if you want to. And it is just a really refreshing drink. And I'll tell you what else happens with this. I feel full after I take this. So I do intermittent fasting. I take this after a fast. And quite honestly, this gives me the nutrients that my body needs. And then I just have a good dinner after that. I've lost about 8 pounds since I've been on this because it helps to curb my appetite and it just tastes fantastic. Okay, so the first part of foundational wellness, vitamins, minerals, and greens. The plus is 5 different bioavailability blends and nutritional blends and things that are in here that actually make this, I consider it the best product on the market so that we don't have to take the pills and everything else to be able to get the vitamins and the minerals and the nutrients that we need on a daily basis. The second thing that we need from a foundational perspective is omega-3 fatty acids. It is super important. We as Americans and really all throughout the world, we just do not get enough omega-3s in our diet. We get plenty of omega-6s. Now, what that means is that when we get too many omega-6s and it's off balancing the omega-3s, we get more inflammation in the body and we just don't feel good. It's just not feeding the body the way that we need to. Omega-3s are fantastic for brain brain health, cardiovascular health, muscles and joints as well. So getting enough omega-3s into your system is fantastic, because I doubt that anybody out there has salmon 3 times a day. Okay, we just do not get enough omega-3s in the body. Now, I'm not a big on taking pills, which is why I love this stuff, because I didn't like taking pills in the first place. So the other thing about taking pills is I'm not real big on taking large pills. Ooh, and look at the size of that bugger, right? So when I saw this, I was like, oh, great. Now my omega-3s are twice the size that they used to be. Am I going to be able to take this? Here's the deal, you guys. This is a very, very high quality fish oil product that also has orange oil in it. So it is harvested from the pristine northern waters of Norway. And it has 6 different kinds of fish in it, and it has absolutely no fishy taste to it at all. No fishy smell, obviously. And with the wild orange in there, it helps to stabilize it so that that fish oil doesn't break down and get kind of rancid, which is nasty after a while and really not good for you to take at all. But another thing it does is it makes it taste fantastic. So here's the deal. Oh, pop it in your mouth. Fish oil that tastes fantastic. Honestly, it just tastes like a mild orange flavor, and it's in a tapioca. The outer pill part of that is a tapioca, which is almost kind of a sweet flavor. So you can just kind of chew on it a little bit and get that sweet flavor afterwards. It's almost like a gummy that you're chewing. You get all of that out, and it tastes wonderful. And I just spit this out. Some people decide to just chew on that and eat that too. You can do whatever you want to do, but take 3 of those a day along with this. Now, I didn't swallow a pill in all of that, which is fantastic. I used to take 16 pills a day. I am now down to taking about 7 pills a day. And that's going to be mostly for my anti-inflammatory, my probiotics, my food enzymes, which is Terrazyme that I take as well. I also take an Adaptive and a Serenity at night. So other than that, I'm really not taking a whole lot of pills, because I just got rid of, this replaces your Lifelong Vitality. These 2 products here replace Lifelong Vitality, and it is yummy, guaranteed. Okay, those are the 2 products. So your omega-3s, by the way, the omega-3s have super high quantities of DHA and EPA, which are the recommended omega-3s that we really, really need for cardiovascular and for brain health. So this is a super high quality product. So we can get the same amount of the EPA and the DHA as some other products. You have to take maybe 5 or 6 pills to get that amount. So you can take less and get more by taking this product. All right, so PB Restore. So we've got your vitamins and your minerals, which is number 1 for nutritional health. Number 2 is your omega-3s. Number 3 is going to be a super high quality probiotic, but this is not just a probiotic. This is a probiome product. So probiome means we have good bacteria that synergizes with our body from the top of our head to the tip of our toes. We have about 5 pounds of good bacteria in and on our body that helps with digestion, with skin health, genital urinary health, respiratory health, oral health. And so this probiome product has 30 different strains of good bacteria and viruses and phages as well, which are all of that is just really good. Most probiotics have about 7 or 8 different strains. This has 30. So it's going to be a super high quality product to take along with your vitamins and your minerals, your omegas, and this is your foundational wellness product. I want to tell you a little bit more about the Probiome Restore. Okay, so it is a pill that looks like that. It is a green encapsulated pill that has oil around the outside of the outer pill. What that does is it's like a first pass pill. So what it does is it helps the bacteria get through the stomach acid so it can be deposited into the intestines where we actually need it. Because if your stomach acid kills the bacteria, which is one of the things your stomach acid is supposed to do, why are we taking a probiotic if it's all getting killed in the gut, right? In your stomach. We want this in the intestines. So that's what happens is the green part, which is the prebiotic, feeds the probiotics, which are the 30 good strains that are in there. And then you it creates postbiotics, and the postbiotics are the things that the bacteria work with in our body to create the good things that help us to be able to have good digestive health, skin, respiratory health, all the other things that I mentioned earlier. So that is the third part of your foundational wellness. You have got these three wonderful products. It's called the Foundational Wellness Bundle, and the entire bundle is $149. Okay, so how much would you pay to stay out of a doctor's office, to stay healthy, to stay well? Now, the other thing about this VMG, there's 4 teaspoons in here. So if you want to take a half a dose, you can. I'm taking a full dose because I know my body needs that. But if you choose to only take a half dose, or if you want to give this to kiddos, hey, give your toddler 1 teaspoon. They love it. It tastes fantastic. They ask for more because it's like a wonderful juice for them. So this is a if you do choose to take a half, you can do that. Take a half in the morning, half in the afternoon if you want to do that, or just take a half per day if that makes you feel good. I'm taking the whole thing. I do want to talk about 2 other products. Those are your foundational wellness, but this is going to give that extra power punch, that extra oomph to you. MetaPWR Advantage. Now, this is one that is a reverse metabolic aging product, which I know that sounds ridiculous. We hear about anti-aging, but how often do we hear about reverse aging? So this is a collagen. It's a marine collagen. Marine collagen is about 12 times more absorbable in the body than any other collagens. You want to take this cold because that's how marine collagen should be. You should not heat your collagen products, and you should not take it in the presence of at least an hour within taking caffeine. So keep that in mind. But this also has 11 other ingredients that are super, super high in antioxidants. NMN, which is nicotide mononucleotide, which actually is a precursor to NAD plus in the body. There's also NADH in here, which once that hydrolyzes, it becomes NAD plus in the body. NAD plus is in the cycles, the biochemical cycles in the metabolic system that make everything go, that help turn your food into energy. We all need NAD plus as a cofactor in those biochemical reactions to be able to turn that food into energy, to be able to turn fat into energy when we need that to happen as well. And I will tell you, this tastes fantastic. So let me tell you what I do. A super hack is this: to take your VMG that I just put in here, and then I take this wonderful tasting MetaPWR, and I put it right in with my VMG. So I now have a pineapple, mango, orange, lemon, wonderful drink that when you shake it up, it is now a collagen, reverse aging, metabolic boosting, vitamin, mineral, greens product that is going to give you energy. It's going to help with sleep. It's going to just help with all of the digestive processes in the body. It's going to help with so many different things. Think about the elasticity of our skin, especially as we age. We need collagen. Now, I'm telling you, it's just a refreshing, wonderful drink, and it has all of those things in there, and it's super easy to take. I just make this up. If I'm going in the car, I just drink it in the car on the way wherever I'm going, and it is amazing. Now, one more product that I do want to talk about is the doTERRA Recharge. Now, Recharge is a electrolyte drink. So it's liquid in this packet. It's not a powder. It's liquid. I would not add it to this because when you mix this up, you want to drink this within, and keep it cold. You want to mix it drink it within about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that all of those ingredients that are in here are very active when you take it in the body. This is going to be an electrolyte drink. So it has your sodium, potassium, 5 different kinds of magnesium, Chloride is in here as well, but the potassium and the chloride ratios are higher on the potassium side, so that we're not having so much chloride and sodium, in the body, which is basically salt, right? But these are salts, but we need them to be able to make the gradient in our cells that is going to pull the water into our cells. It's going to help those biochemical reactions work. So the vast majority of us are dehydrated. Imagine that. I live in Arizona now. I live in Wyoming. In the summer, two very, very dry states. I need to have extra hydration in the body. So this I mix up with about 16 to 20 ounces of water. Again, I like it really cold. This is something that I'm going to sip on probably throughout the day. And then I'm going to have regular water as well, just cold water the way I like it. And the electrolytes that I have in here are going to help to bring that water into my cells. There's no sugar in this. There's no dyes in this. There's no calories in this. So it makes a wonderful, refreshing drink, something that is an alternative to what you might normally have in the afternoon or the evening. And it helps to hydrate the body amazingly well. Okay, so that is MetaPWR Recharge. We had the MetaPWR Advantage, which is the collagen and reverse aging product. We had the VMG, which is put in here as well, vitamins, minerals, and greens. The omegas, which are high in EPA and DHA, and then your amazing PB Restore, which is 30 different strains of good bacteria that are great for your whole body, especially your gut. That's foundational wellness. Okay, I didn't even mention an essential oil, but believe me, essential oils are in all of these products to really be the driving force that helps them work in the body, because it makes all of these things more absorbable in the body as well. So foundational wellness, as we move into our wellness journey, we want to make sure that we're giving our body what it needs at the nutritional level. We want to get the bad fats and oils out of our lives, right? So olive oil, coconut oil, no seed oils. Don't have seed oils in your diet at all. But also having enough water and really getting away from the processed foods, the sugars, lower carbs, all those kind of things are going to give your body a boost that you need. And you're going to feel the energy. Your immune system is going to be boosted. You're going to have more energy. You're going to be more active. Your skin's going to look fantastic. So you guys, I don't know if you want to do this or not, but I am. And I tell you what, there's no better way that I could spend my money than on my health, so that I can stay active and healthy to be the person that I want to be. So if any of you have any questions, please contact me. I am more than willing to go over more of the science with you, how these have worked with me, and how you can get these into your home. So you guys, foundational wellness. Let's all be well, healthy, and happy. Bye, guys.